Hi friends, Auntie Cuckoo here, and I'm taking you guys to Big Lots. Let's go shopping. Fall Decor is hitting the shelves at Big Lots, and they've got a few different themes going on, but one thing I'm seeing in all of them is plenty of burgundy. We're going to start out with this collection that's more of all the traditional colors, and then towards the end of the video, we'll see all the things that they're calling boho. I do love the rustic standing pumpkins. The first one with welcome on it is quite a bit larger, taller that is, for $30, the shorter for $25. And I love this color green in this LED light up pumpkin for $18. For $22, they have a red truck filled with all kinds of pumpkins, and this pillow for $12. I'm loving these colors together this year. Down below, a larger lantern, that one's $35 in black. We'll see this one again in a few different colors. They have this really fun basket with a little pedestal to it for $20, and a few more smaller lanterns for $22. I always love their doormats, and these are just $12 a piece. These are nice and cushy. They also have this one that is just fabric for $10. They have a lot to choose from when it comes to table runners. All of them are right around $12, and here in a minute we'll take a look at all of these hand towels a little closer up. They always have some really great vinyl tablecloths for $4 and some fabric for $12. This set of placemats is $10 for a set of 4. I love this tablecloth for $12. Now for $6 you do get 2 hand towels. These are 2 different prints in the pumpkin in traditional orange. And here's a preview of what they're calling boho. Lots of burgundy, green, and blue. And the apples. This one I was sad didn't come with an apple printed version. Here's a look at some of their placemats in the traditional colors. These are all $3.50 to $4. This leaf comes in the darker burgundy as well. For $22, they have a very farmhouse blessed tray and some more pillows to look at. So these are all $12. They have Give Thanks in 2 different color combinations. And just above those, I found this tobacco basket welcome hanging piece for $25. They've got some lanterns, this one for $20, and centerpieces as in years past, and these will all run you $35. They're adding in little bits of gold as well as copper. This little guy is $14, and this one's priced pretty high at $20. They have some great pumpkin topiaries, this smaller one for $25 and this larger one at 32 inches, almost twice the size, for $45. And just when you thought they forgot about the red truck, they bring it back in the table runner for $12 and in the hand towels for $6. They've also got it in a really adorable little pillow, as well as the placemats for $4. Down below, a few more pumpkins, bringing back in that burgundy in this glass pumpkin for $18. Now this pillow, I just noticed it's $12, and it does have a plaid orange backing. And we're getting into more burgundy in this set of placemats for $10. You do get a set of 4. And I have some pillow love for this truck pillow. It is $25. It's got the little burlap truck on it, and it's got a zipper, which means you can wash the cover. They've got this beautiful wheat pumpkin for $20 that lights up with a candle, another $12 pillow, and a wheelbarrow. This one is $22 and comes stuffed full of fall floral. And for $25, they have this Hello Fall standing rustic text sign. And I have another case of Pillow Love. This Farm Fresh Pumpkins pillow is $14. It is on the larger side and it's down, plain on the back. I just love these colors. Something new this year is this little standing chalkboard with shutters for $25, and they actually do open and close. Now on to some more things on the aisle behind me and all the signs. For $25, they do have a wagon wheel decked out with some fall floral. Down below, a welcome basket full of pumpkins and leaves. That one is $20. And now we're going to take a look at all of these goodies. We're going to start off with Give Thanks on a dark copper leaf metal. This one is $25. And above it, my personal favorite, Welcome to Our Pumpkin Patch. Now, the trim on this is burgundy, and that one will run you $25. Down below, they have a metal stacked pumpkin garden stake for $18. And yes, a little more burgundy and green. We've got a copper thankful on that one, and something we've seen at Hobby Lobby for $14 here at Big Lots, the thankful sign. They don't have it in the grateful version. Also for $18, another garden stake with welcome on it. And I love this little scarecrow with the fall banner. And that one is going to run you $18 as well. Now above those, they do have a windmill sign with welcome on it in white. This one is also going to run you $18. Above that, they have a pumpkin photo clipboard. It has a little bit of chicken wire there as the backing, and that one is $16. Next to that, they have some of the miniature hanging doors for $22 with Hello Fall on it. Now I think these wreaths are too large for these items, but I do like this one also for $18 in the photo frame with Grateful on it. Above that, they do have an enamel Harvest Blessing sign for $16 and a thankful planked pumpkin for $18 as well. And down below, a very large pumpkin in a wagon garden stake, also for $18. For $16, they have this round galvanized blessed sign. And now we're going to get back into more of their decor. This collection is all of their heather items. They have swags, those are going to run you $20. They also have a garland for $20 and this beautiful wreath for $22. Down below, they have their centerpiece in this collection. These are $35 with light up LED candles in them. They have a smaller centerpiece wreath. This one is going to run you $20. And the miniature door in this collection is $22 as well. This one in white with Hello Autumn. For $40, they have these standing heather trees. These are 3 feet tall. Right next to it, slightly taller than it, is this tobacco basket for $30 with welcome in galvanized letters. And for $40, they do have a very tall lantern in this collection. Now, the bow on the front needs a whole lot of help, but they are quite tall in a white wood. Now let's get into a few more florals. Here is the heather garland for $12. Down below, you'll notice more floral. These are all bundles for $5, and yes, you are seeing pink in there. Some larger wreaths that they have to offer in more traditional colors. And all of these are running $22. I think the one up here above is so pretty. Lots of burgundy, pine cones, and gold in that one. And topiaries. So these are trees of fall leaves for $35. They do have light up LED lights in them. And here is a more traditional color version of that lantern for $40. But the bow on this one is even, dare I say, worse. I'm sure they'd be great after some fluffing. Little bundles of heather for $10 and some really beautiful options for ribbon. And the last thing before we get into all of the pink and purple items, these bundles of pumpkins for $6. So that one you're seeing a preview of the colors and then a little more traditional. They have pretty much a lot of the same pieces as the other traditional colors. A swag for $20, this Hello Autumn wreath for $25 with copper letters, and this little garland for $10. Now these would be great even if you're decorating a girl's room. They also have a copper centerpiece with LED candles for $25 and some stuffed boho pumpkins for $14. This is taking me right back to the 80s and how my mom used to decorate. Again, the floral for $20 in these colors, and the smaller lantern for $20, this one with a little bit of pink heather there on the front. Down below, they have this terrarium style lantern for $30 and this larger white lantern for $35. This one, I do have to admit, is pretty. I really do like this one a lot. They did a much better job on the floral. And this super cute standing easel sign for $18 with gather on it. For $20, they have this large jar lantern with thankful in copper letters. And now we're getting into more of their pink and green collection, some smaller signs for $5, and boxed floral for $20. They do have these gorgeous burgundy lanterns for $22, and this version in the chicken wire for $25. They even have a front doormat. This one's just $10 in the green. A few more florals and a gather pillow for $12. A few of their smaller signs ranging between $10 to $5, and this thankful sign for $16. They are calling these pumpkins gold and rose gold, but they do look more copper in person. Some of the smaller floral pumpkins, and this one for $12. I love this squatty ceramic burgundy version for $16. Down below, green and gold, also for $16, and some trays. If these don't take you back to the 80s and home decor, I don't know what will. This larger one in enamel for $14. They also have the smaller in thankful for $10. And these remind me so much of how my mom used to decorate. Another glass pumpkin and a smaller burgundy ceramic pumpkin, this one for $10. And a little carved acorn, this one for $8. Now I'm going to show you all of their placemats and table linens that go along with this collection. For this collection, they have 3 runners, this one in the velvety pumpkins, and for $10, gather with the green and pink, for $14, Hello Fall, and just a few of their hand towels out for this collection. For $6, you get 2 in cream and burgundy. Now their little blue velvety pumpkin placemats are $3.50, and they do have gold chargers. Those are $4. A few more placemats. This one is $4, and again the set of 4 for $10 with the green and pink. Down below for $22, some ceramic stacked pumpkins. And same deal on these. These are their topiaries in this collection, Same sizes and prices as all the traditional colors. Above for $6, an I love fall most of all sign. And just above that for $25 in rose gold, a give thanks window with wreath. They have lots of these little place markers for $4 in green and white pumpkins, and some really beautifully packaged candles for just $6. Above that, a gorgeous wreath of berries in burgundies and green for $25. And that one could go all the way through to the holidays if you ask me. Down below, they have more of the lanterns for this collection and a really sweet Hello Pumpkin sign for $10. They also have the smaller topiary for $25 and this Welcome Fall glass window for $16. And down below, more rose gold items, this candle piece in Blessed and the Welcome centerpiece for $25. They even did a little doormat. This one is $12. So did anything catch your eye today? Comment down below and let me know. I hope you all enjoyed seeing what Big Lots is putting out for fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.